I just found my charge pump cover leaking on a ZT2800 transaxle. Found the part number HG70274 as a replacement. I have never worked on this transaxle. Would it be hard to install this kit, and is there anything I should know or watch out for when removing old items and installing new kit? Any idea where I could find a step-by-step guide?
Hi, here's the link to the service manual, http://www.hydrogear.com/main/service/service repair manuals/docs/service repair manuals/ZT2800-3100-3400. Be aware that the Hydro Gear site can take a long time to load. It's really pretty straightforward of a repair. The only things to remember are: number 1, make sure it's clean. Very clean. You can't have any dirt getting into the case. When you have it all together and ready to start the mower, follow the purge procedure that's in the manual. And pay close attention to marking the cover. Other than that, it's not difficult and should be pretty painless. Thanks, and let me know if you have any questions. Park.41508.9730345833.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit JustAnswer.com/YTHI.